Tom found a dusty typewriter in the attic. When he started typing, the words revealed a chilling confession of a long-lost family secret, with a ghostly figure watching from the shadows. As Tom finished typing, the ghostly figure materialized, demanding vengeance for the secrets that should have remained buried. The attic transformed into a courtroom of lost souls, where Tom faced judgment for the sins of his ancestors. The typewriter, now a vessel for spectral justice, awaited the next confessor to reveal the hidden secrets that bound them to the haunted attic.